Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how beautiful the analytics charts look in Vercel. So this is Vercel's observability dashboard, and this is for the last 12 hours. And first of all, they have this very perfect icons. I design icons all the time, and these are like some good icons. And yeah, and most importantly, this dashboard is very nice. The charts here are very nice. Let's go one by one. So Vercel functions. So they have it just looks very easy to digest, and the colors chosen here are also very good. And if you click on explore query, it opens up something like this, which is also very nice. So yeah, this looks good. Let's go to middleware. I'm not sure how. Yeah, it's the same colors. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how Vercel thinks about charts and tables and everything. So everything here is very nice, but I also want to show you the usage page, which has like lots and lots of tables. So they have this bar chart here. Similar to that, they have something like here. So these look good. This, and it's very useful also. So for your whole Vercel account, you can just come in here and just see everything that you know, everything that you need to know about. Know how much you are spending. So they have this line graph here, which the colors is also very nice. And I'm not sure how they did it, but it used to be, this page used to be very laggy at first, but now it's fast. It's very easily usable. Let's go to some analytics page, like website analytics page. Yeah, even in the overview section here, this looks amazing. So everything here looks great. The small charts here, the analytics here. Let's go to analytics. Let's maybe go to last 30 days. Perfect. So yeah, this line graph here is looking good. And this, so these are the website analytics. These are, where people come from and where are they coming from, and everything here looks amazing. So yeah, if I did something, this is how. If I did a designed dashboard page, this is how I would do the loading states, the tables, how the tables are arranged, how these charts are arranged over here. So everything, if I did something like this, I'll if I design something like this, it'll be something like this only. So yeah, I just want to show off this empty states also. They have very nice. So they have a real how the product would look in the background, and enable state over here. So yeah, I just want to show off this Vercel dashboard. It's where I look for inspiration while I'm designing dashboard, while I'm designing dashboard charts and little cards like this. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.